everyone, welcome to my walkthrough video of the Toonie Talk Conversational AI assessment. Today, I'll show you how the chatbot works and explain a bit about how I built it. First, let me explain what Toonie Talk is. Toonie Talk is a friendly chatbot designed to help users with questions about the Webtoon app, like how to start reading, ask comic recommendations, help with account settings, and more. So the idea here was to make it easier for new and existing users to explore the app without having to search through long help pages. Since Dialog Flow doesn't allow direct design customization for the background, I coded this demo webpage in Visual Studio Code to create a clean and simple interface that mimics a real chatbot window you'd see on websites. Now let me show you how the chatbot works. So here there's instantly a welcome message. Now let's start typing questions. We can ask like, what is, and the chatbot responds. We can also ask instructions like how to read, is it free to read, or really able to read offline. And there. Since it's a Webtoon chatbot, of course we can ask some webcomic recommendations. Let's type, can you recommend Webtoons? And there, it will give you a list of recommendations, and at the end there's a follow-up question where you can either say yes or no. If you say yes, then it will display the full highly recommended list of Webtoon series. But let's say you entered no. Then it will show this method. You can also specify the genre of stories you want the chatbot to recommend you. Let's try recommend some romance webtoon. There. Or got any horror recommendations? There. Or I want to read something funny. And there. With that said, you can also make the chatbot recommend stories randomly by typing recommend random or random recommendations. It will start the conversation and will return a response asking if we want a specific genre or a completely random one. For now, let's pick a random one or any genre. And there, it gives you a random Webtoon comic series. If you want a specific genre, you can ask the same question again and then pick a genre. For example, thriller. And there, it generates a random thriller webtoon. But this chatbot doesn't end here. You can also ask help with any issues regarding your account or if you're interested in publishing your own webcomic. As you've seen, the chatbot can also answer questions regarding login, sign up, deactivate, or password concerns. Lastly, let's ask a different topic, can I publish my own webtoon? And a follow-up question, can I earn from it? And there. So as you have seen, the chatbot responds instantly with helpful and friendly answers. I made sure the responses sound conversational and some include follow-up questions to keep the interaction to flow naturally. On the back end, the chatbot was built using Google Dialog Flow. I created separate intents for different topics and questions and used entities like account, action, genre, and such to understand the user's input more precisely. And one major technical challenge I faced was formatting the responses. For some parts, like comic recommendations, I wanted the replies to appear in a clean list. And since Dialogflow's default text responses were limited, it doesn't support that format. I use custom payloads to format those messages properly. Overall, this project helped me improve my logic and design thinking, and it really made me focus on the user experience, like imagining what users might ask, ensuring that the chatbot guides them clearly and conversationally. So that is pretty much all for this walkthrough video. Thank you so much for watching.